Okay, people want to know, how do I have as much energy as I do? Because I seem to be non-stop from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to bed. And I tell them all the time what it is that I take. But let me explain a couple things to you. In the morning time when I get up, I have my prayer time. And then I have my scriptures. One Psalms in the morning, once Proverbs, one chapter of each, in my prayer time. Then I get up, I have a small breakfast, and then here's the trick. This is what I do besides that. I take 1,000 milligrams of magnesium, not with anything else, straight magnesium. I take a B1, a B6, and a B12, a multivitamin that has minerals, and that is it. That's all I take. And I have enough energy to work 65, 70 hours a week, plus come home and do all the gardening, plus run my ministry, my relationship, my family, everything. Is how I have energy. God grants it to me, and I have found out that bodybuilders take this kind of stuff, and they have plenty of energy to work out 3 to 4 hours a day, plus all the other things they do. So I started doing it. I noticed a difference. If I forget to take my vitamins and everything, around 12 o'clock, having started around 5, I usually start to run out of energy. If I take my pills, my vitamins, then in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I start to feel better and have more energy. That's what I do. So if you want to have more energy, I suggest that you eat right, number one, and you have your devotions, and you take the 1,000 milligrams of magnesium, nothing else in with it. Don't take it with calcium or anything else, just 1,000 milligrams. Take your B1, your B6, and your B12, and your multivitamin with something to eat for breakfast. That's how you do it. That's how I have the energy to keep going.